Keep the first rational expression, change divide to multiply, and flip the second rational expression. Factor the parts that are factorable. Cancel the factors that are common to both the numerator and the denominator. And 5 are both divisible by 5. There are 3 5s in 15 and 1 5 in 5. Take all that are left in the numerator and in the denominator.